my channel. So good to have you back. My name is Ida Francis, and I'm going to be showing you the things that you should consider adding to your shampoo to boost hair growth. Okay, so if today is the first time joining me, you are welcome, and if today isn't your first time, you are also welcome as well. Okay, so when it comes to hair care, you actually really need to use a lot of things that will actually boost hair growth. For me, it is not just enough to buy a shampoo and wash your hair. You actually really need to spice it up, add some ingredients, because it's like buying food in the market and you're actually trying to add some broccoli, some greenies, some veggies and the rest of them just to spice it up and makes it more delicious and more nutritious. That is actually the same thing that happens to the hair. So here in this bottle I have what I mixed in here. Don't worry, you're gonna be seeing how you could actually mix it and use it to wash your hair. Okay, if you really want to know how I mix this for my hair, please continue watching and make sure you watch to the end. But before we do that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. That way you will always be notified anytime a new content like this drops in this channel. And if you have further questions, please do not forget to do that in my comment section down below. And if you really want us to chat privately one-on-one, because sometimes it could be difficult to sort out questions on YouTube, okay, please kindly come to my Instagram and send me a DM. I'm gonna respond to you ASAP, because I really want to help a lot of women, especially the African women, grow out their hair and embrace their natural hair. So anytime I have questions about natural hair, thinking of transitioning, I always give it utmost attention. Without taking so much of your time, let's just go and see how you could actually use essential oils that you have and mix it to your conditioner, to your shampoo, spice things up and use it for your hair. One of the things you're actually going to be needing for the extreme hair growth is the aloe vera. Here I have aloe vera gel, which is 100% aloe vera gel, no alcohol, pure, no color added to it. So if you don't have this aloe vera and you can lay your hands on the aloe vera plant, that is excellent as well. So what the aloe vera is actually going to do for your hair is that it's actually going to help cleanse your hair, get rid of dandruff and promote hair growth. It contains a whole amount of moisture which your hair needs for a proper growth. So I'm gonna be using is my honey, which is actually at the bottom of it. So honey is actually very good for the hair. It helps moisturizes the hair, treat itchy scalps and promote hair growth. I have here my castor oil. The castor oil actually also help moisturizes the hair, treats split hair and promotes hair growth. So if you don't have this castor oil and you have the Jamaican black castor oil, feel free to use that as well, because it's actually very good for the hair. In addition to that, it will also make your hair thick and fuller. I have here my rose water. It helps hydrate, fix damages and promote a healthy hair. You know, when it comes to the African hair, it tends to dry out quickly. So when you apply moisture to the hair, before you know it, it is there in the air. So the rose water is actually going to help add moisture to your hair, because if your hair is not moisturized, just like the plant in your garden, if it is not moisturized, it's definitely going to wither. And definitely not the least, I have here my tea tree shampoo. So feel free to use any shampoo of your choice. After all, you are going to be adding all this to your shampoo. So without taking so much time, let's go right into the process. My rose water, that's a quarter cup, 1/8 or a 31 ml of the rose water. I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of the castor oil. Feel free to add more if you are making more than the quantity I'm making. Honey, I'm gonna be, oh my god, where's my honey? my honey is almost finishing. Okay, the honey is almost finishing. It's taking time to come out, so I have another honey here, which is actually very handy. So So 2 tablespoons of the honey. Forgot, I have here my moringa oil, which is actually very good. I don't like missing moringa when it comes to hair care, and I wouldn't want you to miss that either. So if you have the moringa oil, please kindly add this to this process as well, because it helps enhance hair growth as well. You're gonna be doing is to add your shampoo. Feel free to make as much as you want to mix everything together. Oh, actually spilled this. So after turning it into a bottle, you are going to shake it very well, then use it to wash your hair and watch your hair transform overnight. Okay, so this is how it actually looks. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video up till this particular time. I hope the information I gave and the mixture were quite clear and helpful to you as well. Ensure that you try this out, and when you do not forget to share your experience as well in my comment section, and to other people you think they might need this particular information. Remember, I am sharing this with you, so also share it with other people. Okay, so if you have further questions, like I mentioned earlier in the intro, please drop them in the comment section down below. And if you don't want, you can also drop your questions on my Instagram as well, and we could also chat there privately. Please kindly come to my Instagram and drop your questions there. Any hair questions, skincare questions, I will be ready to attend to it ASAP. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be ending my video for today. Until another time when I will come your way, my name is Ida Francis.